and she's alive. I'll tell you boys, this car did not want to start. Had to use some ether and some jumper cables because the battery died at first. Got pretty cold last night, so it's like one of the first nights we're starting it with, you know, high 30-degree weather. So it's pretty cold. Here and my dad's screaming yellow Terminator. He is the cameraman, so when this video looks not so good, you can thank 𝘭𝘪𝘯𝘬𝘴. I'm kidding. So we're heading up to Jacksonville right now to meet up with Bradley, and we brought this thing. Might play with it if traction and traffic allows. So the last time you saw this car on the channel, guys, you saw it with the old setup that we had, which was the old motor, which was a 5.0 stroker. It was a 4.6, but with a 5.0 stroker. It had a stock rear end out of like a GT or something, right? It was like 327s.
Yeah.
Now the car has a Mach 1 rear end in it with 355 gears, and then it has higher compression. I don't know exactly what it is. You'll tell me. I'll put it right here on the screen. So the car is, it's safe to say it's a little bit more violent now than it was. A lot of people used to tell me that like the car, even though we said it was fast, it didn't look fast on camera.
Let's see how it goes.
Oh, hell no!
Wait a minute.
I promise you, we did dyno the car on like a 90-degree day, and it rolled out like 803 or something. Fast, you know, as we advertised, it just had us really long gears in it, so the car kind of like pulled really long. But now it's about as crazy as you'd imagine, you know, 800 to 900 horsepower being. Well, due to traffic on this interstate, we weren't able to let this puppy sing. So on the scale of how puckered your butt got there, I was a good 10, right?
Yeah, but you should have warned me. I didn't see him coming.
Did you just think I was being stupid?
Yeah.
For those of you who can't see, a Supra just like, I looked behind me after I left that red light, and a Supra was right on my ass. And then also I saw him fly over, and that's when I laid her down.
My 𝘂𝘭𝘪𝘯𝘬𝘴 signature that I jacked up day one. I didn't know you were filming it, so I didn't clean it at all.
It's candid.
Yeah, as it sits.
All right, we're here with Bradley.
Hold on, let me put the sunglasses on so it looks cool.
We're here with Bradley and the 𝘭𝘪𝘯𝘬𝘴.
How's it going? Wait, copyrighted music. This is really not good. Third time's a try, right?
Here with Bradley and the Celine.
How's it going?
This guy.
This guy. I know. We're gonna go, we give Blake a little ride in the old beater. And as you can see, our first enemy, the Nissan Altima, has appeared. But Blake has not ridden in this car in a while, and we just grabbed some lunch, so I figured I'd give him a little ride. I don't think you've ridden this since April.
Since right after the engine was put in.
And we hadn't retuned it then yet. The car still thought it was an automatic. The tune wasn't right. Like, a whole lot of stuff. So we've done a lot. You know, of course, we did the whole new motor that we put in this. Did some stuff with the blower. The blower's got a way bigger inlet on it now. So with that, it's kind of making another pound of boost or so. And we retuned it, and of course, you know, it's got the stick shift in it now. Nice T45. So, with the whole thing kind of retuned, we're gonna take it out for a little rip. We got some decently cool weather. So
yeah, it's actually really nice outside.
We'll see if Blake thinks it's any faster. Also, I know how to drive the car now, which is always nice. I got a car with a third the power of the mighty screaming yellow Terminator, so I'm sure I'm gonna just get sauced. You want to race, old man? Not very much. How'd it feel? Feel a lot quicker than it used to?
Blake approved.
Yeah?
That thing was getting it, dude.
Yeah. With 327 gears too, isn't it?
I think it had some power. It definitely wasn't no slouch. As y'all know, ever since I first met Brad, about like a year and a half, maybe 2 years ago, when we first did that *�々𝘀𝘀 review,
He dogged on this car.
dude, every single day, like I don't think there's ever a time where I've been like, you know, Brad, this car feels pretty good. It's moving, dude. Like that felt pretty good.
She ain't bad now. She ain't a slouch anymore. I mean, she ain't the fastest thing, you know, but it certainly hooked on like your dad.
What's that?
I said it hooked on like your dad.